On April 15, 2013, 2 bombs exploded during the Boston Marathon, killing 3 people and injuring 264 others. For the next 3 days, investigators reportedly used a high-tech system called BriefCam to analyze local surveillance video. Hours of video are condensed into minutes, and experts can zoom in on suspicious actions, like a backpack being left behind. BriefCam's video synopsis was instrumental in identifying the 2 bombers, and the technology was made in Israel.
Technology is going to change all of our lives. It already has, and what's coming down the pike is going to be even more intense.
Israel has often been called the startup nation. And while Jerusalem may be the spiritual heart of the country, Tel Aviv is the center of its startup success. Just a century ago, this thriving city was little more than a series of sand dunes. Today, it's been voted the second best high-tech center in the world, just after Silicon Valley. Israel was recently ranked the 4th most innovative nation in the world, from the iPhone to the PlayStation. Many of the ideas behind your favorite gadgets came from inventors right here in Israel. Flip-top cell phones, keyboards for smartphones, Intel Pentium chips, the ability to print straight from your computer, the flash drive, the chip in the iPad, the OS that runs the Amazon Kindle, the chip that controls the Sony PlayStation, and the 3D sensor in the Xbox Kinect. Every year, American companies are shelling out more and more shekels to buy small Israeli startups. The latest example is Waze, an Israeli smartphone app that gives live traffic reports based on your location. It warns users about traffic jams, accidents, and even sitting police cars. In 2011, Waze made headlines by helping drivers navigate the LA traffic jam known as Carmageddon. 2 years later, Google bought the program for just under $1 billion, making it the most expensive app in history.
Chutzpah is perhaps the most definitive Jewish word. Very, very hard to translate. Gall, unrelenting daring, this ability to try to do something which nobody else has done before, to say something which is a little bit out of place, to be in someone's face. That chutzpah is what allows us to actually break the boundaries and to break the rules and to go out of our comfort zone in order to create new things.
The SR500 and SR110 are well suited for a wide variety of perimeter surveillance and protection applications with these advantages. While cameras can reach the radar's detection range, it comes at a cost of a very narrow field of view, and thus, like fence detection systems and seismic sensors, gives only short-range line detection. Magos gives continuous detection and tracking of the target from the second it's detected at all weather and lighting conditions. Better cost effectiveness than any other perimeter detection solution. One Magos radar can replace dozens of day or thermal cameras running video motion detection, thus reducing procurement, installation and maintenance costs, and improving detection performance at all conditions. Video analytics is heavily influenced by lighting conditions and bad weather like rain, fog, and dust. Magos radars work and detect at all weather and lighting conditions, 24/7, with near zero performance degradation. Magos radars consume less than 2.5 watts per hour, and with the built-in tracker, our radars can be easily installed with no infrastructure running on solar energy and wireless communication. Easy installation due to low weight and wide elevation coverage, which gives full coverage of the perimeter's changing terrain without the need to fine-tune each radar. Magos radars can be quickly and seamlessly integrated with existing VMS, PSIM, and C4I systems by using our SDK, and can also be monitored from Magos Mass Control software. This allows for easy sensor integration with PTZ camera slew-to-queue capabilities that can be viewed from various platforms. Multi-beam solid-state radars. No moving parts equals high reliability. Excellent range resolution minimizes false alarms by separating environmental clutter like trees from actual targets. Cutting-edge radar technology.